Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glam bag unbagging for November. It's actually pretty cool, even though I typically hate this color of green. It's a really pretty bag. And it has red or like a maroon right here and a gold zipper. But this is my first item. Technically it came outside the bag because it's too big to fit, but there are two masks, Youthful Glow and Peachy Glow. And it feels like they're full sheet masks. That may have been the item that I picked this month. I actually don't remember. Then the card says Royal Treatment. Tiny Touches, Major Shine. For your eyes, lips, and cheeks. And let's take a look at what I got. So the first product is a luminizing primer. I normally don't wear primer because I feel like it clogs my pores, but I'll give it a go. I haven't tried primer in a long time. This one has rose water, it says. Cruelty and vegan free. Super cute packaging. And pretty big size of that too, so that's awesome. Next, I have Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Safe for sensitive skin. No artificial fragrance, and that's from First Aid Beauty. Then we have maybe a bronzer, let's see. That's a highlight, Vintage Highlight. It's really pretty too. And the last item is Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara by Ditto. Never heard of that brand, but I love trying new mascaras, so that's pretty cool. Not a bad bag this month. If you guys would like to see what I've got in the past, I do have a playlist, and if you'd like to join, I also have a link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.